All right, back to where we left off. So our power is a 1 and our index is a 2. So this is a square root. And I'm going to write 9n to the 4th. Okay, so what we're doing is we are looking for groups of 2. So we all know that 9 is 3 times 3. And we all know that n to the 4th is n times n times n times n. So I have a group of 3s. I have a group of n's and another group of n's. So 2 groups of n. That's everything. So there's nothing left underneath my square root. Number 17, kind of similar. We know that 8 is 4 times 2, and we know that 4 is 2 times 2. This is called the prime factorization. These are all prime numbers now, 2, 2, 2. Then we have p squared, q to the 3rd, and r. So again, we're looking for groups of 2. Groups of 2, group of 2, group of 2. 2p, q. Now this time we do have some leftovers, a 2, a q, and an r. Number 18, again, similar. 1 is our power, 2 is our root. So we're looking at a square root of, oh, by the way, on number 17, if you don't see a 2 right here, or you don't see a 1, those are implied that this is a square root. So 48, a to the 3rd, b to the 4th, c to the 2nd. Okay, 48. Let's think about this. So that's 2 times 24. 24 is 2 times 12. 12 is 2 times 6. And 6 is 2 times 3. A to the 3rd, b to the 4th, c to the 2nd. Looking for groups of 2 again because it's a square root. Here's our root. So I have a group of 2's and a group of 2's. 2 times 2 is 4. A group of A's, 2 groups of B's, and a group of C's. Leftovers, a 3 and an A. Okay, 2 more. Area. Yep, that's it. Okay, area. A rectangle. Area equals length times width. So our length is 6x to the 4th, y to the 8th, w to the 12th. And the width is 7x to the negative 3, y, w to the 5th. Okay, look at our numbers. By the way, we're multiplying here, length times width. So our numbers, our coefficients, 6 times 7, 42. Add these exponents. X to the 4th, x to the negative 3, 4 plus negative 3 is just 1. So if I think about it like this is x to the 4th, x to the negative 3. This is in the numerator, of course. So I could bring it down to the denominator to make it positive. And then I could just do subtraction. 4 minus 3 is still 1. Or 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Cancel, cancel, cancel. 1 is left. Okay, my W's, I have y to the 8th. What am I talking about? My y's. I have y to the 8th and y, remember, to the 1st. So that's y to the 9th. And last, I have my w's to the 12th to the 5th. Adding those together, 17. Number 20 is basically asking us to go backwards. They're telling me the area, they're telling me the length, and they want me to find the width. So remember, my rectangle, length, width, area is length times width. So I actually know the area this time. It's 15x to the 3rd, y to the 8th, z to the 10th. I know the length is 3x, y to the 6th, c to the 5th. Remember, this is a 1 right here, 3 times x to the 1st. So basically, I'm asking, what do you multiply by to get 15? So 3 times what is 15? 5. Okay, look at my x's. I have x to the 1st. 1 plus what is 3? Look at my y's. 6. 6 plus what gives me 8? And look at my z's. I've got 5. I need 10. So 5 plus what is 10? 5. So here's my answer. Okay, study, study, study.